Is a bigger capacitor always more powerful? No. Capacitance alone does not determine a capacitor's power capability. Voltage rating, ripple current, ESR, dielectric type, frequency, and temperature all matter. Capacitor values range from picofarads to microfarads. Picofarad capacitors are commonly used in RF and high-frequency circuits. Nanofarad capacitors are useful for filtering, coupling, and noise suppression. Microfarad capacitors are commonly used for smoothing, decoupling, timing, and energy storage. Capacitors also come in different types. Ceramic capacitors are compact and excellent for high-frequency applications. Film capacitors offer good stability and low losses. Electrolytic and tantalum capacitors are polarized and are commonly used for higher capacitance applications. So, what really matters for capacitor performance? Check the voltage rating, ripple current, ESR, dielectric and construction, temperature, and operating frequency. Remember, more capacitance does not automatically mean more power. Always check all capacitor ratings before using one in a circuit. This is AZ Electronics.